Clay's getting ready to have his ear popped by Mama Net.
Ooh, I'm scared to be by it.
I know, me too.
Looks like a pretty big old thing. It's gonna squirt.
Oh, fuck.
I'm sure it's gonna come out
I
everywhere.
See white.
Oh. Oh,
Ooh,
hell.
there it comes.
Ooh. That's huge, Clay. It's white already. Oh.
Oh, wait up! Don't do it until I get it on the video. There we go. So squeeze it.
That's the biggest shit I've ever fucking seen.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
That's the biggest I've ever seen.
Let me see.
No, you can't.
I guess you got it on video, huh?
It's still going. It's not done.
You're
Glad somebody knows what they're doing.
You're stabbing her again?
Yeah, you gotta get it down deep to the core.
I'm just gonna. Hold on, I might just fall over. Record me on the floor, okay?
Man.
Oh, there's more. Ooh, that's grossing me out.
That is the biggest I've ever seen in my life.
Holy chingao. Chingadera. Look at that, Clay. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Don't eat that, whatever you do.
Don't eat that. I don't want to.
I'm having a hard
Are you
time.
gonna make me?
Put your head down. You're messing up my video.
Holy lord.
I've never seen a zit that big before.
Me
In
neither.
person. Just on video.
I know. You know why I'm so scared now.
Do you find it feel like
Watch out.
Everybody watch out, we need shields.
Oh, there's more. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
I'm kind of nervous it's going to squirt me. Kurt, go to the angle over here. There.
Oh, I heard that. That was gross.
I bet you did. Good God. Oh my god, look at that. Clay.
Ew. Oh my god, that's what was in there, really?
Oh, it's still coming.
It's still
Put your
going.
head down.
Put your head
It's like
down.
halfway there.
Yeah, you got.
there's plenty more?
Oh.
Oh.
I can't.
Oh my god.
Oh.
This was the mother.
Oh, that's gross.
Sit down. Sit down. We're not done yet. Get over here. Get over here, Clay. Get over here. We're not done yet. We still got some operations to do here. You come over here. Mom and Dad will take care of you. I'm telling you what.
Oh my god, now you have a floppy ball sack on your ear.
Oh,
Dude, that was sick.
That was. I've never seen that.
I gotta see the video of this shit.
Seriously.
Oh, now it's blood.
I cannot
Oh, it's
even
bloody
believe that.
crunchy
Like,
stuff.
Ooh. Yeah.
No,
I'm
that's
glad I
good.
did
Get
not
that
do
out
that.
of there.
I'm glad I didn't do that.
Oh my god, that was gross.
Oh.
It's still going.
It's still. Oh my god.
How long did you let that
Jesus
go?
Christ.
I don't
It's
know.
only been like a couple days. It was tiny whenever we took off.
Get ready, it's going to do it again.
That was gross.
Oh my god.
Oh,
You need something else?
You guys gotta put
so
that on
disgusting.
Facebook.
That's gotta feel better though.
Yeah, how you feeling?
I don't know. I can't feel nothing really, to tell you the truth.
Okay, put your head down.
Oh, you gotta just poke it again.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
There's
Oh.
It's like Swiss cheese already.
Yeah.
Oh. Did it squirt you?
Squirt out at her, yes.
All over her hand.
I don't have AIDS, so.
That's good news.
Should have
Thank
asked
you.
that first.
When's the
Told
last
you I
time
was
you
scared.
Don't squirt me.
No, we're all at a distance.
Right?
I'll puke if that gut landed on me.
I would too as soon as I looked at it. I was like, ugh.
Oh my god.
This video's been going a long time. 4 minutes already. Oh.
Okay, that has to feel better.
It does.
I would think so.
Oh my gosh, I'd rather look on video than in person right now.
We need to watch it afterwards.
It's still got stuff in it.
Gonna squirt
I know.
us.
I'm gonna
You can
shut
see
the
it's
video
all
off though. We
red.
got the